How to restore, refresh, and reset your PC on Windows 10. Resetting your PCs can make your PCs and laptops much more smoother if it is starting to get slower. By resetting your PCs, you can make it as if it was brand new. Click on the Start menu down below and head over to Settings. Now from here, click on Update and Security, and on the left panel, you need to click on Recovery. Again, click on Get Started. Here a pop-up window will open, which will provide you two choices: to keep the personal files and remove the apps and the settings which you've done on your PC, or to remove everything including your personal files, apps, and settings. Choose your preferred option. Here again, you need to click on one of the options to reinstall Windows. The local reinstall is the quicker way, so you can click on local reinstall. Now it will show you the additional settings, where it will show you the current settings of the resetting process. You can click on change settings and then toggle this option on, which is download and reinstall Windows from the device itself. After that, click on confirm and then hit next. Next, it will show you the things that will be changed after you reset your PC. It will change settings back to the default. It will keep the personal files as if you choose this option, or if you choose the remove everything, it will remove everything and it will download and reinstall Windows, remove all the apps and programs. You can also view the apps that will be removed after the PC resets. After you check all of these, you can click on reset and your PC will start to reset. So that was the process of how you can restore, refresh, and restore your PC on Windows 10.